Hi, and welcome to the University of California at Berkeley Summer Sessions, and to this comprehensive introductory course on neuroscience, the science of brain, mind, and behavior. My name is David Presti, and over the next several weeks, I'll be your guide as we travel through the highways and byways of the molecules, cells, and processes that make up the human brain. Neuroscience is one of the most exciting fields in contemporary science. Its rapid growth over the past several decades has produced many exciting discoveries. Every day there are stories in the news about the brain and brain chemistry, about mental health and illness, about how various drugs act on the brain, about the latest innovations in visualizing the structure and function of living brains. It seems to be increasingly important for all educated citizens to know something about brain science. Here's a plastic resin model of a human brain. This organ that each and every one of us has right here inside our head, behind our eyes, is undoubtedly one of the most complex structures known. Our brain contains around 200 billion cells. This is about the same number as the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy, cosmic home to our sun and solar system. These brain cells are highly interconnected with one another. A typical nerve cell in our brain forms connections with thousands of other cells. This makes for hundreds of trillions of neural connections in the brain, a staggering degree of complexity. Everything we know comes to us by way of what we call our conscious mind, the perceptions, thoughts, and feelings from which we put together our experience of ourselves, one another, and the world we live in. How our mind is related to the workings of our brain and body is a deeply mysterious question, and perhaps the most interesting question in all of science. It is our hope that this course will contribute to your developing insight and intuition into how the brain works and to more deeply appreciating the amazing landscape of neuroscience.